Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off quick share. If you are using quick share now you want to turn it off, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your device settings and here just go for search bar and search for quick share. You must have to tap on the first icon which is connected devices and this quick share option, just tap on it, then tap on quick share again. From here you just have to look for who can share with you. Just tap on it and then tap on row 1. Just select that and then tap on them. In this way you can easily disable quick share, but if your phone have any option of visible to all the devices you must have to disable that. So here you can see I haven't that option, so I can easily disable quick share just selecting no one from here. So that's how you can easily turn off quick share in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.